Have you ever noticed how your breathing changes when you're stressed, angry, or scared? What if I told you that the simple act of conscious breathing could help you release emotional pain, heal past wounds, and even transform your life? Breathwork is more than just a physical activity. It's a bridge between your mind, body, and soul. Today, we'll dive deep into the connection between breathwork and emotional healing, exploring its ancient roots, scientific backing, and practical exercises you can incorporate into your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how your breath can heal you emotionally, but also feel empowered to use it as a tool for transformation. 1. What is breathwork? Breathwork refers to a variety of breathing techniques designed to influence your mental, emotional, and physical state. It's been practiced for thousands of years in traditions like pranayama in yoga, qigong in Chinese medicine, and various shamanic practices worldwide. But in modern times, it's gained popularity as a therapeutic practice for emotional healing, stress reduction, and spiritual growth. When we talk about breathwork for emotional healing, we mean intentional breathing exercises that help you access and release stored emotional trauma, regulate your nervous system, and calm your mind. 2. The science behind breathwork. Let's explore the connection between your breath and your emotions. Your breath is directly linked to your autonomic nervous system, ANS, which has two main branches. Sympathetic nervous system, known as the fight or flight system, this is activated when you're stressed or anxious. Parasympathetic nervous system, known as the rest and digest system, this calms you down and promotes relaxation. When you practice breathwork, you activate the parasympathetic system, lowering your heart rate, reducing cortisol levels, and bringing your body into a state of relaxation. More importantly, certain breathing techniques help you access the limbic system, the emotional center of your brain. This allows you to process and release suppressed emotions like grief, anger, and fear that may be trapped in your subconscious. 3. The emotional healing benefits of breathwork. Here's how breathwork can help heal your emotional wounds. 1. Releases stored trauma. Emotions like sadness, anger, and fear can get stuck in your body. Conscious breathing allows these emotions to surface and release in a safe and controlled way. 2. Reduces anxiety and stress. Deep, slow breathing signals your brain that you're safe, reducing the overactivation of the fight or flight response. 3. Enhances self-awareness. Breathwork allows you to reconnect with yourself, helping you identify and process unaddressed emotions. 4. Boosts emotional resilience. The more you practice breathwork, the better your nervous system adapts to stress, making you more emotionally resilient. 5. Promotes forgiveness and letting go. Many breathwork sessions leave you feeling lighter, as if a weight has been lifted, helping you let go of grudges, guilt, or past traumas. 4. How breathwork heals. Emotional wounds. Practical examples. Let's look at specific breathwork techniques that are known for emotional healing. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. What it does: activates the parasympathetic nervous system, calming your mind and body. How to do it: sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your belly fall. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Box breathing, square breathing. What it does: reduces anxiety and helps you regain emotional control. How to do it: inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for another 4 seconds. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Holotropic breathwork. What it does: helps release deeply stored trauma and access altered states of consciousness. How to do it: lie down in a safe, comfortable space. Begin by breathing deeply and quickly in a rhythmic pattern. Allow emotions, memories, or sensations to arise naturally. It's recommended to do this practice under the guidance of a trained facilitator. 4. Alternate nostril breathing. What it does: balances emotions and harmonizes the left and right brain hemispheres. How to do it? Use your thumb to close your right nostril and inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. Continue alternating for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. The emotional journey. During breathwork. As you practice breathwork, you may experience a wide range of emotions. It's not uncommon to cry, laugh, or feel a deep sense of relief during or after a session. This is your body releasing stored energy and emotions. Here's what you might notice. Emotional release. You may feel a weight lifted off your chest as old emotions are released. Clarity and insight. Many people gain new perspectives or clarity on unresolved issues. Inner peace. A sense of calm and connection to yourself and the world around you. 6. Breathwork and spiritual healing. Breathwork doesn't just heal emotionally, it also helps you grow spiritually. By quieting the mind and tuning into your breath, you can access deeper levels of awareness. Many people report feeling a sense of oneness with the universe or connecting to a higher power through breathwork. 7. Incorporating breathwork into your daily routine. Here are simple ways to include breathwork in your life. Morning practice. Start your day with 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing to set a calm and positive tone. Stressful moments. Use box breathing whenever you feel overwhelmed. Evening routine. Try alternate nostril breathing to unwind and prepare for a restful sleep. Weekly deep dive. Dedicate one session a week to a longer breathwork practice like holotropic or circular breathing. 8. Final thoughts. Healing. One breath at a time. Your breath is the most powerful yet underutilized tool for emotional healing. It's free, always with you, and capable of transforming your inner world. By practicing breathwork regularly, you can release emotional pain, build resilience, and live a more peaceful, connected life. Remember, every conscious breath you take is a step toward healing and wholeness. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your life begins to transform. One breath at a time.